If you forgot your Gmail password and want to check it on your phone, this video will show you the easiest way to find it without resetting anything. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your mobile phone. I'm using Chrome, but you can use Safari or any other browser as well. Now tap on Profile icon at top right. Once the page opens, tap on your profile name. Now scroll down and tap on the Manage Your Google Account option. If you have multiple Google accounts logged in, make sure to switch to the correct account first. Now go to the Security section and scroll down a little until you find Password Manager. Tap on it. Here you'll see all the saved passwords connected to your Google account. In the search bar, type Google or Gmail. Once you find it, tap on it. Your phone may ask for fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock verification to confirm it's really you. After verifying, tap on the eye icon to reveal your saved Gmail password. If you still can't find it, try switching to another Google account and repeat the same steps because the password may be saved there instead. And that's it. That's how you can check your Gmail password on mobile easily. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.